Hi, my name is Nur Syafika binti Muhammad Asri. My metric number is A20A1782. We are from Group 3 Business Statistics. The title of our study is Population by State Johor and Kedah, Administrative District and Sex in 2017 and 2018. Business Statistics is a relate on the methods of data analysis from the simple statistic and applies them to business using the methods of collecting, organizing and analyzing data in the meaningful conclusions that can be drawn from them. The objective of the statistic is to apply mostly in a business analytics BA. It refers to the skill, technologies, practice for continuous interactive explorations and investigation of past business performing to gain insight and drive business planning. In this slide, I would like to talk about the objective of this task. The first objective is identify the data based on the population by state Kedah and Johor administrative district and sex in 2017 and 2018. Second, we analyze methods such as frequency distribution, relative frequency distributions, and cumulative relative frequency. Third, we calculate the data by using the formula numerical descriptive measure, analyze the data by using a statistical package for social sciences SPSS software. After that, interpret the data by using t-test analysis, ANOVA analysis, correlation analysis, confidence interval, and regression equations. Table for description data, population by states of Johor and Kedah, administration, district and sex in 2017 and 2018 are taken from the Department of Statistics Malaysia. For the administrative district, the states of Johor consists of Batu Pahat, Johor Bahru, Keluang and Muar, while the state of Kedah consists of Baling, Kota Star, Kulim and Pendang. As you can see from the table, this is the description data for the sex, male and females, population for Kedah and Johor in 2017 and 2018. Next, I would like to talk about data description. Data description is of data needs to calculate frequency distributions. To calculate the frequency distribution have 4 steps. The first step is determine the number of classes. For this, we need to use formula number of classes as K is the rule 2. So up to K more than N. There are 36 states of Johor and Kedah. So N equals to 32. If we try K equals to 5, which means we will use 5 classes. Then the 25 equals to 32, the same data we obtain. If you let K 6 equals to 6, so 26 equals to 64 be greater than 32. So the recommended number of classes is 6. Step 2, determine the class interval of withers. So this step, we need to use formula class withers equals to maximum entry minus minimum entry divided by number of classes. So as you can see the calculation and the last answer we get 131.66 for the class withers. So step 3, set individual class limit. So minimum class entry in the appropriate lower limit for the first class. To find the lower limit of the remaining 6 classes, add a class withers of 131.66 to the lower limits of each previous class. So step 4, make a tally mark for each data entry in the appropriate class. For this step is to calculate the score, you must make a vertical straight line. So step 5 is the total tally mark is the frequency for that classes as we can see in the box showing the total frequency for each class. This slide I would like to talk about 2.3 relative frequency distribution and cumulative relative frequency. So the table show that construct the relative frequency distribution data for a total of 32 residents by state Kedah and Johor, administrative district and sex in 2017 and 2018. To find the relative frequency of a class, the data need to divide the frequency by the sample size n. So this is the formula, relative frequency class frequency divided by sample size. So for the data in the relative frequency table for class 53.5 to 185.15 R is answer 1.5313 and so on. So next, for the cumulative relative frequency part, need to use the formula cumulative frequency of the last class equals to size sample class n.
Hi, my name is Nurfara Husna binti Saiful Anwar. My nomometric A20A1814. Graphic presentation are my responsibility. Lower class limits plus highest class limit divided 2 is my method for obtaining the midpoint. We can use the table at the bottom to create a histogram graph that shows the lowest, highest, midpoint, and frequency limits. Class boundaries is the numbers that separate classes without forming gaps between them. Based on figure shows that the graph histogram midpoint population by state Johor and Kedah Administrative District and set 2016 until 2018, the highest midpoint in the section reveals that class 119.325 had a frequency of 17. The frequency of 2 was measured in the midpoint between 645.963 and 77.625. Finally, the frequency with the lowest volume of 0 had a midpoint of 382.645. On the other side, a graph depicting the histogram of class boundaries population by state of Johor and Kedah Administrative District and sects from 2016 to 2018 is the highest class boundaries in the section revealed that class 53.495 until 185.155 had a frequency of 17. Next, the frequency of 2 was observed in the class borders 518.135 until 711.795 and 711.795 until 843.455. Finally, the lowest frequency of 0 record class boundaries, namely 316.815 until 448.475. After that, we can view a population pie chart per state administrative district in the Johor and Kedah for the year 2017. The difference in population value between Johor and Kedah in 2017 may be seen in the pie chart above. The highest population in Johor is 58% in the district of Johor Bahru, which is highest than the highest population in Kedah, which is the district of Pendang, 40%. Furthermore, the population figure in the state of Johor, especially the district of Muar, is the lowest by 11%. The population volume is 10% greater than the population figure in the district of Bading, Kedah. After that, we can view a population pie chart per state administrative district in Johor and Kedah for the year 2018. The difference in the population volumes between Johor and Kedah in 2018 may be seen in the pie chart above. The largest population in Johor state in 58% in Johor Bahru, which is greater than the largest population in Kedah, which is the district of Kota Star, 41%. Furthermore, the population figure in the state of Johor, especially the district of Muar, is the lowest by 11%. By 11%, the population of the district of Pendang Kedah is equal to the population of the district of Pendang Kedah.
Hello everyone, my name is Mary Ann Sylviana Jami and my metric number is 820821146. So I'm going to present our group assignment, which is our title is the population by state administrative and sex 2018, 2017 and 2018. So I'm going to present my part, which is measure of population. First of all, I'm going to present 3.1.1, which is measure of central tendency. So from this point, I'm just show you the table, which is class, midpoint, frequency, fx, and cumulative frequency. So for the frequency is 32. Midpoint x, I already calculate here. And for fx is equal to 7899.636. Relative frequency, you can see from this slide. So for the next is mean. This mean I already calculated, which is 7899.68 divided by 22 equal to 246.871. Mean of the number population by state administrative is about 246.871. So for the median, I already calculated, which is 39.835. Mode is 118.825. So the mode of number population by the state administrative is about 118.825. So move to the next slide. 3.21.2 measure of duration. So the formula of the range is maximum data entry minus minimum data entry. So equal to 789.95. You can see from my slide there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 column. So I just added sum of fx2 and x2. So for the fx2 equal to the 140650062.99. So the answer is 266.63. Therefore, the sample variance is about 387,673.99 and the sample standard deviation is about 622.63. The next is 3.1.3 measure of position. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. So each only class, midpoint, frequency, effects, and cumulative frequency. So for the first quartile, the formula is 6 divided by 4 means 32 divided by 4 equal to 171.485. And the second quartile is for median. The formula is xn divided by 2 means 32 divided by 2 equal to 16. And the class interval is 185.16 minus 316.81. For the third quartile, the formula is 3n divided by 4, and the answer is 239.39. For interquartile range, the formula is Q3 minus Q1, and the answer is 67.905. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Arfan Nasran bin Armando Bayubay, number matrix A20A1275. Today I want to explain about statistic analysis using software. First, 4.1 numerical description measure. A. Measure of central tendency. This is a data population by state administrative district in 2017 and 2018. Okay. The mean, median, and mode of the data population the state Johor in 2017 and 2018 using SPSS is 332.75, 209.50 and 132, while Kedah mean median mode 154.00, 153.00 and 1. These are different between SPSS amount and manually, which is amount by SPSS is smaller than manually. For the measure of position, data population by state administrative district in 2017 and 2018. Okay, the first quartile Q1 and thirdly quartile Q3 of the Johor in SPSS is 148.25 and 605.75, while Kedah Q1 is 75.25 and Q3 is 203.75. Okay, for measure of variation, data population by state administrative district in 2017 and 2018 is for variance Johor and Kedah is 74762.467 and 137,994.99.067. Then standard deviation Johor and Kedah is 273.427 and 117.469. For hepatitis testing, this is a data population by state administrative district in 2007, 2017 and 2018. For regression, residual sum of square is 0.299 and 3.701. Total is 4000, then mean square 0.100 and 0.308. Mean F regression 0.324. For 4.3, correlation is data population, that is the graph, the data. Number of Johor correlation 1001.00. That means a value of R 1 implies this is a perfect correlation. Meanwhile, here is 0.009. That means a value for R near 0 implies there is a little or no correlation, while number of Kedah correlation 0.205 and the yes negative 0.256. 4.4 confidently internal. The last value 0 and 75% confidence internal of the different is meaning the significance level A 100 minus 75 total 5%. Therefore, at 75% confident for number of Johor between 1 at 7.05 and 478.45, while Kedah between 71.40 and 216.60. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, hi, hello, my name is Humaira binti Mainas and my metric number is A1A0177. Okay, my part is theoretical modeling. Okay, this is the metric plot. Okay, figure show the association between population by 4 variables: gender, Kedah, Johor and year. This is a high level association between population and Johor. This is a no clear association between population, Kedah and Johor. Among the independent variable, this is a high level of association between population and years. Okay, next, the correlation. Population correlated height with a gender, Johor and Kedah. This is no signification correlated between years. Among the independent variable, this correlation between gender is very high. Most likely, this is a problem of multicollinearity. Okay, next, the model summary. The R square value is 0.65, which means 60.5% of the variation in population can be explained by years, Johor, Kedah and genders. The adjusted R square is 60.2%. The statistic is almost 2. Okay, next, this is ANOVA. ANOVA, the p-value from the ANOVA table is less than 0.001, which means that at least one of the 2 variables, years, Johor, Kedah, gender, can be used the model population. Okay, next is coefficient. The equation population equal 523.699 minus 12.560 Johor minus 52.8088 plus 1.646 years plus 353.270 Kedah minus 188.282 gender. Thus, for every unit increase in Johor, population will drop by 20.560, provide the other variable remain unchanged based on the standardized bed coefficients. The effect of egg minus 0.333 is almost 3 times that of Johor minus 0.21024.
That's all for me. Thank you. Bye.